All right. So here we have my experiment. I'm going to be measuring these in, all right, I'm going to be measuring these in newtons. All right, guys, I'm going to be measuring the force used with this spring scale, measuring in newtons on this spring scale. Now you'll see here, I'll start pulling on one straw first, and it breaks in no time at all. Didn't even make it to 1 Newton. With two straws, let's see what I have. There's 1 Newton, 2, and it breaks at about 2 Newtons. With three straws, let's see what happens. There's 1, 2, 3 Newtons at about 3 Newtons with three straws. Let's go to four straws. Okay, we go 1, 2 Newtons, 3, 4, and we're just above 5 Newtons, just barely around 5 Newtons. Let's go to five straws. See what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Newtons. A little over 7, about 7.2 perhaps. Okay, now five straws, and I've added some tape up here around the center. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just about 8 Newtons.